Hey folks, we're back with more Revit training, and we're going to continue on with this renovation project of this store, and it's coming well along here. This is a view of it in our model. So what we do now, we look at stuff like presentation and working drawings. Do we even do that in this project? I don't know, but this is how you do this, something like what I'm doing now. So you need to be in a site plan. Right there, and see that's a camera there. You just take a camera shot. Say I want to go here, camera. Let's go from say here to here. Let's just get that shot, and there you go. Cool, really cool. And then we're going to go find, and we can make this realistic. We can also do photorealistic renderings, but for now I'm going to show you how to do our drawings and how we set up stuff for presentation for our client who we're doing this for. So there's our site. We did all of our little bits and pieces here. So now here, if you go down into the view properties here, so temporary hide, and then you got this one here, visual style, and you can select it, and we can go realistic, and then we'll get a realistic view of that, and it really looks good in rendering, but we're not going to render this for this assignment. Just kind of running you through this, and then let's just do one more view here. Let's go from the back here. Said you're coming up this street to drive to that store, you would see this. Yep, I've seen that many times. That's good. That's a view. That's that view, and then I can find that view. So anyway, that's that. So that's how the camera works. And then we can make this realistic as well. So now what we do here is we want to set up our drawings. So we have our, from this project, what we did, we created, see, where are we here? Okay. My goodness, I'm sorry guys, we don't even have any sheets for this, nothing. But we do have our basement, which is this. We've got our level 1, which is that. Okay. So now what we need to do is, do we have elevations? Okay, so, oh wow, okay. So what we're going to do is set these sheets up at the moment, because we didn't do that. Make this consistent colors. So there's our front. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go here, and I'm going to just go, I'm going to go new sheet, because we don't have any sheets in this. Say, okay, use this default sheet there. Okay, so Autodesk sheet, we can use that. So then here, we go back to our level 1, and let's just drag and drop to see what we got. Now actually, we want to do our basement first. Guess what we're going to start. So we want to drag and drop this guy here. And that's our basement, and then we might want to change this scale, activate this view. Oh yeah, let's go with maybe 3/8. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then we want to just shift this over, and we know all about cropping views and everything. I don't want to have to go through that. Let's just do this one, just in case nobody remembers. So I'm going to activate this view. I'm going to turn these guys on right here, and I'm just going to take these little dots and just go, you know what I mean? Just pull these guys in. Again, make sure this guy right here is turned on, and there you go. Just move that right there. So there's our basement plan here. We've done this before in plenty of my videos. I don't want to have to go through this, but okay. Let's just do another one here. So that's our basement, and then maybe we want to look at, okay, our first level. Let's do a new sheet, and let's go okay. and everything will automatically update. That's the number. So we've got our level 1 here. And then we want to activate this view, and we want to make this whatever we made, 3/8. Yep. So there's our level 1, and the same thing, you know. Okay, so I don't want to go to this. And we got that activated. We turn this on. Repetition, guys. You know how to do this, right? Yeah, no. Just bring that there and there and there. And I think maybe we get a few elevations. We're going to leave it there because I just wanted to show you guys how the presentation of this drawing comes out. Let me deactivate this view. And I'm going to go this. Okay. So we got a couple of sheets set up. We do have a furniture plan here that we created, and that can come later for presentation stuff, and we can do interior elevations and whatever. But for now, I just want to show you how we kind of get this thing started off for our presentation for our client or our customer here. So we've got our floor plan, a basement, then we've got the first level plan. And maybe we want to drop a couple elevations in here just for starters, and then we move on to the next video. So I'm going to go new sheet, I'm going to OK here, and let's do our north here, our south here, actually these are going to be a lot bigger, so I'm going to activate this view. Well, I'm going to leave it there. What I'll do is, let's just, okay. Let me just get these elevations on here, and I'm going to leave it here. So go with our east, and then our west. Probably will be here. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this. Really appreciate all the new subscribers and people that are coming on to my channel. So, guys, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and thanks. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Bye. Stop.